Hi everyone, this is Nandita. Welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today and thanks a lot for all the messages. आपने बहुत सारा प्यार भेजा है आजकल. Each and every one of you has been sending me so many messages and personal messages and emails, and also the feedback that the readings are resonating with you. Thank you so much कि आप सब मेरी readings का wait करते हैं and that you're looking forward that when the reading is coming. So that really motivates me, and I'm really enthusiastic to keep on making readings for you. So thank you so much. It's your love and messages that's keeps me going and keeps me performing, and I'm trying to come with something new each day. I'm trying to improve, I'm trying to get better with each day, and it's all thanks to your love and support. So आज मैं आपके लिए एक रीडिंग लेके आई हूँ to let you know the blessings coming your way, what blessings are coming to you. And I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1. Just focus on the peach moonstone crystal. This is pile number 1. Pile number 2, the rose quartz crystal. That's rose quartz crystal. And pile number 3, the tiger's eye crystal. Just see the crystals. I'm just going to show them to you once nicely. That's the peach stone crystal. That's peach in color. That's it. And the pile number 2 is the rose quartz crystal. That's it. That's a nice pale pink. And the third is the tiger's eye crystal, which is in a various shade of beige and brown. So I hope it's nice and clear. Otherwise, just zoom the pile a little and you can see. Just focus on the piles because I'm using many decks for each pile. So आप decks को मत concentrate करिए. Just look at the piles. So before we move forward with the reading, I just want to make it clear that these are general readings. So सब कुछ आपकी situation के साथ resonate नहीं होगा. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. You could wait for more readings and see what resonates with you. आज की reading में जो निकलेगा आप उसको जो आपके साथ resonate होता है, आपकी situation में fall करता है, आपके साथ relate करता है, आप उसको लीजिए, बाकी चीज़ों को रहने दीजिए. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग मैसेजेस भेजते हैं that some of the things are coming true, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें नहीं थी. So वो कुछ चीज़ें it's because of the general reading. इसीलिए मैं बार बार हर वीडियो में रिपीट करती हूँ that only take whatever is resonating with your situation. जो आपको लग रहा है आपकी सिचुएशन के साथ मैच हो रहा है, उसको आप अपनी लाइफ में गाइडेंस की तरह लीजिए और अक्यूमुलेट करिए, और बाकी चीज़ों को आप छोड़ दीजिए. And I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I will see you at your pile. And please, it's a humble request that do not leave the video in between. Please watch it till the end. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And also keep sharing the channel. And also to know the piles that I've, the decks that I'm using today, you will have to watch the video till the end because I'm going to be showing you each and every deck जो मैंने आज की reading के लिए use किया है. So we're going to begin with pile number 1 and see what blessings are coming for people who've chosen pile number 1, the peach moon crystal. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. कोई भी आपकी situation है, कुछ भी आपके मन में है, it could be anything. आप उसके बारे में सोचिए और अपने cards, मतलब मैं आपके लिए cards shuffle कर रही हूँ. तो आप देखिए क्या यूनिवर्स आपको blessings दे रहा है. आप थोड़ा breathe करिए, breathe in and breathe out, focus लीजिए. That's the way, the more you breathe, the more you try and focus with yourself while I'm shuffling the cards with you, for you. आपको easy होगा to, get accurate answers. Ask the cards, ask the universe कि आपके लिए क्या blessings आ रही हैं आपकी situation में. So let's see what blessings are coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 1, जो भी आपकी situation है, there's a lot of stress on the cards at this point in time. Maybe for a lot of you कुछ ना कुछ hidden आपके साथ कुछ या तो betrayal हुआ है या आप कोई चीज़ छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, which is giving you a lot of stress, lot of anxiety. Also I see that maybe for a lot of you finances are playing a very important role. Either you're trying to save onto your finances या फिर आप अपने फाइनेंसेस को कहीं लगाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं in the right place. So there is a major financial decision that has to be taken for a lot of you, and I see that the universe is blessing you with the courage to first of all take this decision. Maybe for a lot of you finances is a major problem and that is coming to an end. आपकी financial issues, आपकी stressful, आपकी dullness जो life में है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिनका सोल्यूशन नहीं निकल पाया है और आप वेट कर रहे हैं फॉर द सोल्यूशन. सो आई सी विक्ट्री ऑन द कार्ड्स फॉर यू, एंड स्पेशली इफ इट इज़ अ फाइनेंशियल और अ करियर सिचुएशन, या फिर आपको किसी का पैसा रिटर्न करना है बट यू डोंट रियली हैव द अमाउंट. आपने कोई लोन लिया था, आपने किसी से मनी बोरो किया था जो अब आप वापस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आप उस सिचुएशन में नहीं है. सो नाउ एंड दैट्स वाई आपको मे बी कहानियाँ बनानी पड़ रही हैं, आपको हो सकता है छुपाना पड़ रहा है दैट वाई आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू शेयर द like repay back, or what is your plan, or something that is related to finances or career is definitely bothering you. So the universe is blessing you with something unexpected coming your way, unexpected fortune coming your way. आप अपने आप को बहुत प्रोटेक्ट करके चल रहे हैं because you don't have a plan, you don't have a solution, but I see that victory is on the cards. You need to really be determined in this situation. People who've chosen pile number 1, determination is the key. आपकी विशेस ग्रांट हो रही हैं, आप जो यूनिवर्स से मांगेंगे, आप जो ऑलमाइटी से मांगोगे, इट्स गोइंग टू कम टू यू इन अ वेरी अनएक्सपेक्टेड मैनर. So just surrender to the divine. People who've chosen pile number 1, any situation that you are in right now, just surrender to the divine. Also, let's see on the relationship front what's going on. There is a major confusion going on. It could be any situation that you are in, but you are confused regarding taking decision. एक major decision आपको लेना है. It could be about marriage. It could be about choosing the right person. Maybe आपके पास बहुत options हैं. It could be about, like I said, finances. या तो आपको किसी को पैसा वापस करना है, so you don't know कि from where should we get the money. Or it could be आपके पास there is money and you really want to put this money, you want to invest it somewhere, so you don't really know where to invest it. You're trying to find the right investment plan or a project or something like that. So that confusion is coming to an end, and इसमें around 6.5 weeks लग जाएंगे for a lot of you. And people who've chosen pile number 1, if you're waiting for the right person to enter your life, or you're waiting that this person is आपके रिलेशनशिप में कोई इशू आ गया एंड योर पर्सन हैज़ वॉकड ओवर यू, हैज़ वॉकड ऑन यू, हैज़ गॉन अवे फ्रॉम यू, या आपको बर्डन हो गया है. Maybe it could be work burden, it could be a relationship burden, it could be just putting in efforts in the relationship, लेकिन effort नहीं लेकिन आपको result नहीं मिल रहा. Your expectations are hurt at the moment. That's what I can see people who've chosen pile number 1. And for a lot of you, the relationship has come to a standpoint. It has come to a standstill situation. आपका relationship maybe टूट गया है, maybe आपके और आपके person के बीच में बहुत दूरियां आ गई हैं. So you're waiting for your person to contact you, or you're waiting for things to work out, and I can see that contentment is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. You're patching up with your person, you're reuniting with your person, reconciliation is on the cards for you. A major change coming in your life, you're going to be blessed with a major change. People who've chosen pile number 1, जो भी आपकी situation है, I can see a major change coming in your life. That's the wheel of fortune. That is the final blessing for you. एंड इट्स क्लियरली शोइंग मी दैट आपके जो भी मनी इश्यूज़ हैं, या जो भी आपके फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ हैं, रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज़ हैं, जो कि मैं देख सकती हूँ अभी चल रहे हैं आपके रिलेशनशिप में, आपके फाइनेंसेस को लेके इश्यूज़ चल रहे हैं. सो दोज थिंग्स आर गेटिंग सॉर्टेड आउट, दोज थिंग्स आर गेटिंग बेटर. एंड जो चीज़ें अटकी हुई हैं, आपने शायद कोई प्रॉपर्टी ली, उसका लोन लिया लेकिन आप रीपे बैक पे ऑफ नहीं कर पाए. आपने कोई प्रॉपर्टी ली लेकिन वो फंस गया आपका पैसा, आपको प्रॉपर्टी नहीं मिली. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. आई कैन सी दैट जो भी चीज़ें आपकी रुकी हुई हैं, इट कुड बी अ प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट, इट कुड बी अ फैमिली डिस्प्यूट, इट कुड बी दैट आपका पर्सन हैज़ वॉकड ऑन यू. लाइक आई सेड, यू हैव रिलेशनशिप इशूज. आई कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन द रिलेशनशिप. योर पर्सन हैज़ वॉकड ओवर यू. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को लेके इशू आ गया. यूर रियली बर्डनड, यूर रियली टायर्ड. efforts आपने डाले हैं, but now you're just trying to guard yourself because people are blaming you, people are trying to catch hold of you. आपके ऊपर responsibility आ गई है. So that all is coming to an end. New blessings coming your way, and the Moonology cards are clearly saying a new start is coming for you. So a new start as well as the Wheel of Fortune is definitely a very, very beautiful combination, a very positive combination for you. So you should be looking forward to this change that's coming in your life, a very big movement, a very big positive change coming in your life. People who've chosen pile number 1. Also I can see जो ये आपकी exhaustion है, ये जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा trouble कर रही है, the burden that I can see on your in the cards is there on you. It's really playing havoc on your mind, body and soul. So the cards suggest that you should go in for salt water baths for the next 10 days. Also, for a lot of you, you could wear a black tourmaline crystal or something, you could just wear a black tourmaline crystal to protect yourself from negativity. You could just wear a black thread to protect yourself from negativity, because I do see that बहुत negativity है, बहुत exhaustion है, stagnancy है, आप बहुत overburdened है. Maybe you've lost the determination, you've lost the energy, the will to really put in efforts. So just to get that back, just to get your horses back, is to get the reins back in your hand, you could do these things. They will help you, and no harm in doing so. And I see success on the cards within the next 2 months. I see celebration for you on the relationship front, on the financial front, everything working in your direction, people who've chosen pile number 1. So just gather yourself up, have the strength to fight this battle, have the strength to make the decisions, because I see this confusion is coming to an end, and the universe is blessing you with taking this, with being decisive. It's giving you back the energy to fight, the energy to, the fire to actually perform, जो अभी आपके अंदर खत्म हो गया है. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. आप ज़रूर अपनी फीडबैक कमेंट्स मुझे कमेंट्स में छोड़ जाइए, फीडबैक्स दे जाइए in the drop box down. And also you could just let me know अगर आप कोई specific topic पे reading चाहते हैं. I'll definitely like to make your video. So stay tuned to my channel, and please do like, subscribe, share the channel, keep commenting, and stay tuned for live reading posts. Thanks a lot once again. Let's see. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see what we have in store for people who chose pile number 2, the rose quartz crystal on top. Let's see what blessings are coming to you. Think about your situations. मैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स shuffle कर रही हूँ. Take a nice long deep breath. Ask the universe, ask the Almighty for blessings. कि आपको कौन सी situation में blessings चाहिए. What are you waiting for? What's going on in your life? Just think about those things, and I'll just shuffle the cards for you. आप जितना ज़्यादा connect करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा अपने आप को align करेंगे with the universe, the more accurate your readings will be. So let's see what is in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the rose quartz crystal. People who've chosen pile number 2, I first of all have to share that you need to release the negativity. Maybe आपकी expectations किसी चीज़ को लेके hurt हुई हैं. You were not expecting this, you were expecting something better, you were expecting something more, so your expectations have been hurt. Maybe आपके efforts किसी भी चीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा थे. It could be a relationship, it could be work, career, and definitely it's for a lot of you it's a relationship that has troubled you and has really got a lot of negative emotions in you, a lot of pent up emotions that need to be released before a new beginning can take place. Maybe family life में या आपकी personal life में, relationships में there is not the kind of contentment that you are looking at, and you were aiming for something much better. You had a plan, you've done things the best that you could, but आपके जो results आए हैं it's really broken you. That's what I can see. It's shattered you. For a lot of you it could be like आपको ऐसी feeling आ रही है like it's the end of the world. You're devastated, you're shattered. So things are very slow, very stagnant, out of your control, lot of confusion, lot of mess that I can see on the cards. Maybe आपकी fight ऐसी हुई है that it's led to a lot of negativity. आपके बीच में, आपके person के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा you've said a lot, they have said a lot, it's become like a mess. ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. This kind of a thing should not have taken place. It's definitely that you're feeling that things have just come to an end, things have just come down with a bang. चीज़ें आपके लिए बहुत ख़राब हो गई हैं, and you're in a situation wherein you have just walked away from everything. आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं लग रहा है, you're stressed out, you're anxious, आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं लग रहा है, और आपने सब कुछ you've just given up, you've just left everything. Your energies are so stuck up. आप अपने ही अंदर अपने दिमाग को आपने इतना ज़्यादा परेशान कर दिया है, आप इतना ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं, ओवर थिंक कर रहे हैं. It could be a relationship for a lot of you, and for a lot of you maybe some kind of a phase wherein आपने शायद अपने करियर में एफर्ट्स डाले हैं, स्पेशली योर फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन. मे बी यू वर ट्राइंग टू सेव ऑन सम फाइनेंसेस, मे बी यू वर ट्राइंग टू you had a plan to इतना पैसा जमा करना था, कुछ खरीदना था, कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी थी जो नहीं हो पाई है. It's really bothered you, and maybe you're trying to be miser. You're coming across as being miser, whether it's because of your feelings, क्योंकि आप अपनी feelings नहीं share कर रही, or it's because you're holding on to a lot of your finances which you need to use, but it's like it's playing a negative role for you. It's really burdened you, it's exhausted you, your efforts have not given you the desired results, and now you feel that you don't have a solution. So the universe is definitely blessing you that these things are coming together, and aapki soon the broken pieces in the puzzle, the interference I can see in your situation from outsiders is definitely there. That's the 5 of Wands. It's clearly showing me a lot of interference, a very, very messy situation, a very confusing situation, a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress on the cards, lot of confusion. Maybe आपका relationship खत्म हो गया है, maybe आपके बीच में issues आ गए हैं, maybe आपका सब कुछ finish हो गया, but still you have a confusion whether things will get better, whether it's the right thing to do, whether it is actually worth putting the efforts in this relationship. It's a lot of mess, it's a lot of clutter जो आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है, and it's really, really bothering you, और इसका कोई आपको end result नहीं दिख रहा. So what I can see is people who've chosen pile number 2, that please अपने आप को निराश मत करिए. आपकी situation is, I can see it's very grim, and it's looking also very, very negative, but this is just a very temporary phase in your life, and soon the puzzle pieces, जो भी ये problems आएंगे, ये सब वापस से जुड़ जाएंगे, and you and your person are first of all going to reunite. That's what I can assure you, that you and your person are reuniting. People who've chosen pile number 2 and you are not in a relationship, so the universe is blessing you with a new relationship, with a new person coming in your life. और जो भी आपको एक रिकॉग्निशन की ज़रूरत है, चाहे आपके काम में, चाहे आपके करियर में, आपके फाइनेंसेस में, आपने एफर्ट, जो कि मैंने आपको शुरू में बोला था, आपने बहुत एफर्ट डाला है बट आपको उसका रिजल्ट नहीं मिला है. सो आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट नाउ दैट द टाइम ऑफ द रिजल्ट इज कमिंग, द टाइम ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन, द टाइम ऑफ गेटिंग क्रेडिट is coming. Whatever is due to you is coming. Contentment is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2, and I see कि जो भी अब आप efforts डालेंगे किसी भी चीज़ में, उसका result आपको universe बहुत देगा. और ऐसा it's the time to get the fruits of your labor. I can clearly see that whatever efforts now you're going to be putting, और जो आपने डाले भी हैं, अगले 2 months के अंदर life is getting settled for you. You're going to be very content. जो भी आपके एफर्ट्स थे, चाहे रिलेशनशिप में, चाहे आपके काम में, उसका आपको बहुत पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट मिलने वाला है. पीपल हु चोजन पाइल नंबर 2, गुड न्यूज इज ऑन द कार्ड्स फॉर यू. फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ यू हु आर कपल्स, आई सी न्यू बिगिनिंग व्हेन इट कम्स टू फैमिली लाइफ, फैमिली प्लानिंग, a birth of a newborn definitely is on the cards for a lot of you. People who are wanting that, people who are waiting for that. Maybe in the past you've had a very bad pregnancy, or you had some kind of a very negative miscarriage or something on those lines, and you're really scared, you're really shattered. So the universe is again blessing you with family planning. So that's definitely a wonderful thing. I congratulate people who've really been wanting to do that. So basically the struggle that has really, really been bothering you is finally getting over, and victory is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. Definite success is on the cards for you on any situation. रिलीज करिए अपनी नेगेटिविटी जो आ रही है, पास्ट से आ रही है. आई कैन क्लियरली सी पुराने रिलेशनशिप से आ रही है, या पुराने किसी नेगेटिव काम से आ रही है, करियर से आ रही है, किसी भी चीज़ से एक नेगेटिविटी बहुत ज़्यादा आपके अंदर स्टोर्ड है, जिसको रिलीज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आपका ब्रेकअप हो चुका है, दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. अ न्यू पर्सन माइट एंटर योर लाइफ. This is going to be this is the person for you, the person who's coming in your life now. Even if your old person is reuniting with you, that's the person for you. But अब जो आपकी life में होने वाला है, this is the best thing to happen. Nurture our relationships is something that the mystical wisdom cards are also clearly saying. So सब कुछ आपकी life में अच्छा होने वाला है, first of all. And nurture से I also again will confirm that this is a time for nurturing. So for a lot of you ladies who are planning to be a mother, who are trying to get into motherhood, family planning, a wonderful time coming your way. Good news is on the card. You're being blessed with what you've been desiring to do. एंड जस्ट रिलीज द नेगेटिविटी. मैंने पहले भी बोला था आप बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हैं क्या करना है क्या नहीं. सो द कार्ड्स आर सेइंग यू नीड टू seek clarity that what you really want to do. Take steps towards positive change. So people who've chosen pile number 2, this is the time to battle the blues. बहुत हो गया negativity, बहुत हो गया आपकी लाइफ में stress, struggle, anxiety. आप प्लीज सॉल्ट वाटर बाथ्स लीजिए, रिलीज द एग्जॉशन, रिलीज द नेगेटिविटी, स्टार्ट अ फ्रेश. द यूनिवर्स विल डेफिनेटली ब्लेस यू विथ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू वांट, बट इट इज जस्ट आस्किंग यू टू बी अ लीडर. सीक योर गोल्स, सीक क्लैरिटी, सेट करिए अपने गोल्स को और खुद से स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टेप्स लीजिए टूवर्ड्स बैटलिंग दीज ब्लूज, टूवर्ड्स अ पॉजिटिव चेंज. खुद आप स्टेप्स लीजिए एंड सी हाउ द यूनिवर्स जस्ट हेल्प्स टू bless you with the best, the choicest of blessings. Also people who've chosen pile number 2, मैंने जैसे कि आपको बोला कि past से बहुत negativity आ रही है. So what I can see is कि past की वजह से ही whatever is taking a toll on you, उसकी वजह से आप बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों को like hold on करके बैठ गए. You're fearful of something. Like I said, maybe आपका past में women who've chosen pile number 2 and you are अगर आपके साथ ये reading resonate हो रही है, if you've had a bad relationship in the past, or people have gone through a divorce in the past, and maybe आपका miscarriage हुआ था, or you had some kind of a problem in your pregnancy. All these things have actually accumulated in your mind, got stored, और उसकी वजह से बहुत fear आ गया है आपकी लाइफ में. बहुत ज़्यादा आप उस fear को पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं जिसकी वजह से इतनी ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी जनरेट हो रही है. सो इस fear को रिलीज करिए. दैट्स व्हाट द कार्ड्स आर सेइंग. फेस करिए इसको. गिव योर लाइफ अ सेकेंड चांस. डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड इन लाइफ. आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट यू नीड टू समन करेज, गेट द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बैक जो कि अभी बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है, एंड लेट थिंग्स हैपन फॉर यू. गो विद द फ्लो. 2.5 months लगेंगे सक्सेस आने के लिए, चीज़ें वर्कआउट होने के लिए. बैलेंस इज कमिंग इन योर लाइफ, but for all that you need to be prepared to go with the flow. You need to have self confidence, you need to release the fears, you need to be clear in your head, you need to set your goals again, and also nurturing your relationships if this is a relationship reading for you. So I've made it very clear, all the aspects are there, but sabke liye the end result, the advice from the universe is the same, that release the fear, release the negativity, take positive steps towards a change in your life, so that the universe also gets the clear cut signal that you are ready for change. And for a lot of you, आपकी life control में आ जाएगी within the next 28 days itself. The beginning will take place. So my first advice is definitely start taking the salt water baths. It's the rock salt water that you can use, and also just accumulate yourself, gather yourself, meditate करिए, peaceful रहिए, calm रहिए, positive रहिए, do things that you like. It will really help you to get out from the negativity that you are facing, the negativity that you are in, and it will help you to take steps towards a positive tomorrow, and the universe will also help you. So I hope this reading was resonant with you, people who chose pile number 2, and I also hope that you will please keep sending me your feedback and comments to let me know if it was beneficial. People, please stay tuned to the channel for more readings, videos, live sessions, and also keep sharing the channel. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and dropping by the channel today. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Let's see what we have in store for people who chose the Tiger's Eye Crystal. That's pile number 3. That was the Tiger's Eye Crystal. So let's see what blessings are coming to you. I will just shuffle the cards for you. Till then, please just think about your situation. Think about आपको किस चीज़ में blessings चाहिए, and what is your situation, what are you looking for. Just take a deep breath, bring your energies here to the cards, bring them to the universe, connect with the universe, align yourself, align your energies to the universe. Ask the universe, please give me blessings. What blessings are coming for me? It will really help you to get accurate readings. And breathing is very important, a very calm. Bring your attention firstly to your breathing. महसूस करिए कि आपकी सांस आ रही है, जा रही है. Do that for a few seconds and then choose, then just connect with these cards. I'm shuffling them, I'm giving you time. I don't want to rush the reading. So let's see what blessings are coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 3. People who've chosen pile number 3, first of all, I can already see that for a lot of you, the blessings have already started coming. And अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है तो it's within the next 2 months it's happening. Whether it's finances, whether it's health, whether it's education, whether it's higher education, anything on your mind, it is there for you. It is coming your way. Celebration is coming to you. There is a divine energy present here for people who've chosen pile number 3. It's definitely a divine plan, what I can see. So just surrender to the divine, just leave things to the universe. New beginnings are on the cards for you. That's the new beginnings for you, the sun. So like I said, anything on your mind, नया काम शुरू करना है, business start करना है, career में change चाहिए, job start करनी है, पैसा लगाना है, पैसे की वेट कर रहे हैं, whatever it is on the cards for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. For a lot of you, if you're single, I see your Mr. Right coming, Miss Right coming, especially for women. If you've chosen pile number 3, I see your person coming to you very soon. You're being blessed with, relationship, a person coming in your life. If you've been requiring help on any front, people who've chosen pile number 3, and, the universe is guiding you in the right direction at this point in time. तो जो चल रहा है इसी के साथ चलते रहिए. I see success on the cards. I see you very determined in whatever you are going to be doing. आपको achievement मिलेगी, आपको success मिलेगा. Also what I see is that completion. So for a lot of you, marriage is on the cards soon. It's around the corner. Things can just happen within the next 2 months. Some kind of a relationship, a commitment, whatever. अगर आपको अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि चीज़ें stressful हैं आपके relationship में, या you want that balance to strike in your family life. Maybe you're not being able to give your person your time, your family life. आपको time नहीं दे पा रहे. The closure that is missing in your life at this point in time, जिसका आप wait कर रहे हैं, that is coming to an end, and that wait is coming to an end. I see your expectations getting sorted out. जो आपको decisions लेने हैं, which are confusing you, which are giving you some kind of a stress, those decisions are happening, and you're able to take the right decisions for yourself. People who've chosen pile number 3, the cards definitely suggest that you should meditate, you should spend time with yourself, seek guidance, inner guidance from your inner self, from your higher self. आपको ज़रूर answers मिलेंगे for the answers that you're looking at, या फिर जो आपको confusions हो रही हैं कुछ decisions बनाने में. For some of you, I can see that you need to make a few decisions which are troubling you, which are confusing you, and you're not able to make the right decision. So that will take place if you spend time with yourself. Your intuitions, your gut feeling will be very strong, and unexpected fortune, unexpected gains, unexpected happiness coming your way. अगर अभी चीज़ें रुकावट भी आ रखी हैं पार्टनरशिप्स में, बिजनेस में, या आपके रिलेशनशिप में, किसी भी तरह की स्लोनेस, there's a little bit of stagnancy that I see coming to an end, and I see new partnerships on the cards, new beginnings on the cards. People who've chosen pile number 3, it's definitely one of the best piles that you've chosen. This is the world, and that's the sun. These two together couldn't be a better combination for you. A perfect life ahead for you. So the universe is blessing you with a lot of happiness. Ace of Wands definitely shows me the fire, the zeal, the determination to achieve, which helps you to achieve things, to give you success. And apna just keep the spirit, the fighting spirit, the achievement spirit in you very happy. Also, people who've chosen pile number 3, the cards are warning you to stay away from negative people. Do not share your plans. Do not share your, any news, anything which is on your mind. Do not share it with people around you. Just keep it limited to as little as, maybe your wife, your relation, your person or something, but keep it very, very secretive at this point in time. People who've chosen pile number 3, you and your person are meant to be together. I see your person and you in a happy union, a happy partnership. And like I said, somebody is coming in your life soon. That energy is here. For a lot of you, it's your person is around the corner. You're getting a proposal. For a lot of you, जिन्होंने pile 3 choose किया, कुछ issues चल रहे हैं person के साथ, they are getting finished. I see reconciliation on the cards. I see your Prince Charming coming to you. I see happiness. I see your your bowl being full of love. This is a time to really, really enjoy the blessings the universe is giving you, because your blessings are coming in each and every form. Peace, prosperity, happiness, love, joy, anything, you name it, and it's there in your life. health, wealth, career, relationship, you name it, and things are working out for you. The universe is giving you the best. The universe is giving you what you really desire. So I just warn you not to share this with anybody, because there are people who are jealous. There are people, nazar lagti hai, negative people are there. There are people जो appreciation में भी जाने अनजाने में they say a few things which then turn around and hit you back later. So the cards are warning you to stay away from negative people, or the people who you think can pull you down, या फिर वो जो आपके well wishers नहीं हैं. Stay away from them. Let's see what the miracle cards are guiding you. These are angel cards. They are miracle cards. Let's see what they are guiding you to do in your situation. It's time for changes and new beginnings. People who've chosen pile number 3, there is definitely this period is of constant change, and it's bringing you a lot of new ideas. Divine energies will fill up your life and entire soul. So like I said, there is a divine energy in this pile. The miracle cards are also clearly confirming that this card is really revealing a lot of divine energies which are here to illuminate your soul, which are here to make you reach newer heights, greater heights. People also meet only like-minded people. Stay grounded, stay away from negative people. The cards are clearly saying that don't be indecisive, don't be fickle-minded. It's warning you. The universe is blessing you with the best it could. So the least you can do is not to get confused, not to get fickle-minded, not to be indecisive. Take your decisions on your own. Sudden fortune and dramatic events are unfolding for you. So like I said, out of the blue, things will work out. Out of the blue, unexpected fortune coming your way. People have chosen pile number 3. So angels are here to give you good fortune, to bestow good luck on you. The blessings are sudden, dramatic, and very, very grand for people who've chosen pile number 3. You're protected. You're going to stay protective. Try and wear evil eyes for some time, people who've chosen pile number 3. It will really help you to repel negative energies. Though the angels are also here to protect you from the negative energies, but it'll just be beneficial for you if you could wear an evil eye, so that in this time, when this is a beautiful time in your life, you don't want anything to go wrong. So the cards do suggest you to wear an evil eye, and if you can't do that, they're just warning you to stay away from negative people. Don't share anything with negative people. Be in an attitude of gratitude. Be humble. Like I said, stay grounded. The cards are also asking you to stay grounded. So the universe is blessing you with the best. People who've chosen pile number 3, just do your bit, and I wish you all the best for a wonderful future for the next few months, and even in the long run. Enjoy this time to the fullest, people who've chosen pile number 3, and thanks a lot for staying by and watching the reading and being a part of the channel. And please do like, subscribe, and share the bell icon, and please press the bell icon. Do share my videos. Stay tuned for live readings, live sessions. I keep doing them on a weekly basis, so stay tuned for that. You could follow me on Tarot Arc Instagram, Tarot Arc Facebook for further insights. Thanks a lot once again, and take care of yourself. And people, I'm just going to share the piles, the decks that I've used today for today's reading. So I've used the Rider-Waite Tarot deck for people who chose pile number 1. That's the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, and I've used the Moonology deck also with the pile, with pile number 1. I've used the Rider-Waite deck and the Moonology deck. So for people who chose pile number 2, I've used the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. That's the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, and I've used the Mystical Wisdom Tarot deck to give you angel guidance. That's the deck for the people who chose pile number 2. And for people who chose pile number 3, I've used the Art of Tarot deck for the reading, and I've used the Angel Miracle cards for the blessings for you. That's the Miracle cards, and that's the Art of Tarot deck. So I hope the readings were beneficial for you, and they were resonant with you. Thanks a lot for staying by and dropping by the channel today. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself. We'll meet again soon.